Well, these rugs have a lot of red, white, and blue in them.
They do. I call them the Turkish red, white, and blue rugs. We're picking this now as a category because they all are very, very similar, but there are a few design differences, but the construction is very similar, the look is similar. This rug here is called a doshimayalti. Most of these rugs are made in western and central Turkey.
Okay.
So this is doshimayalti. This is doshimayalti. The design on these two rugs, it tells us that's what that is. This motif here and here is called a camel's foot.
Okay.
And then they all have these, I call them dice. Somewhere in the borders they have these 5 dice. And here we have it here. You can see the interior, the field are not the same, but the border's the same. So it's doshimayalti.